Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a free product haul. I really love doing free product hauls and pretty much unboxings, I guess you could say. But I really do love I love showing you guys what I get for free, because everything that I get for free is usually things that everybody can get for free. So there's this website called Crowdkit, and Crowdkit is a website where you can do surveys and things like that. So every survey, some surveys get 2 points, some surveys get 5 points, so a lot of surveys get 20 points. See, there's regular polls that you'll most likely get 2 points for. Then there's like picture surveys where you have to upload a picture and things like that, and you'll get like 20 points for those. And there's like different opportunities there, but after every 1,000 points, I think, you get a $5 gift card to Amazon, which is awesome. So the more surveys you do, the more points you get, and obviously every time you hit 1,000 points, you get a $5 gift card from them, and I think that's really cool. I so far have gotten $15 in gift cards from them. I'm not on it as much as I should. But another great part about Crowdtap is that they get free sampling opportunities. So you get it from different like brands. So they have like Revlon, Almay, they have Unilever, they have Zycam, they have Splenda. They have a lot of different brands. So I'll leave a link to Crowdtap down below, so you guys can definitely check it out if you're not already a member. You can definitely check it out and sign up and be a part of it. So you pretty much just applied to be a part of the sampling opportunity, and believe me, I applied like 20 times, like to 20 different sampling opportunities before I got accepted into one. But most of the time, like, you just got to be patient. So you'll eventually get accepted. And the great part about Crowdtap is it's never sample size products. They're always full size products, and you get it completely free of charge. So my first ever Crowdtap kit is this one right here. I was accepted into the Unilever box. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in it. So first I got the new Suave Professional's 2-minute super conditioner with intense moisture. Now I love Suave. The brand Suave is just I personally have always loved it. I've used it since I was a kid. That and VO5. Suave has always been a big part of my bath routine. So when I saw that it was Suave, I was so excited. They don't tell you what you're getting in the box as well, unless it's like usually when you get accepted into Unilever boxes, it's anything under the Unilever brand, because Unilever owns Axe, they own Suave, they own Caress, they own a lot of things. So they never tell you what's going to be inside of the box. They just tell you that you got accepted and they're gonna send it to you. So that's pretty much it. Now, unless you get a box from like a specific brand, like I got one from Revlon, which I will be showing in a later video. I'll probably be filming that after this. Then they'll send you Revlon products. Or if you get accepted into an Almay box, then they will send you an Almay products. And sometimes on the side, it'll tell you what comes inside of the box. So, but yeah, this, I haven't tried it yet. I do want to try it. I haven't tried any of these products yet, mostly just because I don't like starting new products when I have products already open. So, I still have conditioner, so I don't need this right now. But it's very cool to have. It is salon proven to moisture, as well as Kerastase resistance mask. I don't know. But it's really, it smells amazing. You can literally smell it through the bottle. Like, you don't even have to open it, which is crazy to me. But I'm very excited to try this out. Next, I got the Suave Professional's Anti-Dandruff Dry Scalp Care 2-in-1. So this is obviously for dry scalp, and me and my husband suffer from dry scalp. I don't even know what it is. Like, I use baby oil, everything under the sun, and it just never goes away. But I'm so excited to try this. I personally don't really like 2-in-1s. I like to have shampoos and conditioners, and just because shampoos leave my hair so rough and dry after you wash it, that conditioner, then I use conditioner and it makes it nice and soft, and I can just pull my hair right through, pull my fingers right through my hair, and it just feels great. But 2-in-1s never have that for me. I feel like 2-in-1s just leave my hair dry, and it's kind of just like shampoo to me. It leaves my hair dry and brittle and I like knotted, I guess you can say. The last thing that came in the box is the Suave Professional's Anti-Dandruff Itchy Scalp Relief 2-in-1. And it's infused with invigorating mint, which means my hair is going to be icy. So it's anti-dandruff and it's for itchy scalp. So then there's one for dry scalp that, you know, you just have dry scalp. And then there's one for itchy scalp because, you know, dandruff can be very itchy. I'm very excited for this. It's 100% pH balanced and flake free, which sounds good. It sounds promising. And I'm very happy with this box. I smells so good. I'm glad that I got the box because I love shampoos and conditioners. I love anything that has to do with hair. I don't know how to do hair, don't ask me. I don't know. But I do love washing my hair. My hair, I don't know. I just do. So I was very happy to get this, and then it's like, I don't need shampoo or conditioner. Now when I finish this one, I don't need to buy more, but it's very nice and I'm so excited that I got it. So that is my Crowdkit, my Unilever Crowdkit haul. So yeah, I have more Crowdkits that I'm going to record and show you guys because I want you guys to be a part of it. I will also now be leaving links down below to all of the websites that I get free stuff from. If you guys never heard of them before, then you can definitely just click on them and check them out, make an account, or some of them are just websites that you can literally just go to all the time and they update every day. And yeah, so every time that there's a new free product on that you can get, they'll always put it on their website and post it on their Facebook, which you should also follow. Don't forget to do that because that's how I usually find out about most of the free products. Just because I don't have time to be checking their websites every day. That was my video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see here, what you guys don't want to see, if you guys are tired of me. I know. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia, and I am an aspiring MUA. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.